In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount to an invoice in Odoo. Mastering this feature is key for businesses looking to offer price adjustments directly on their invoices, whether for special promotions or customer loyalty rewards. So, let's dive right in. When you begin creating an invoice in Odoo, you'll notice that each line of your invoice has a field labeled Disc%. This field is your gateway to adding discounts smoothly and effectively. Though it might seem like a simple box, the functionality it provides can make a significant impact on customer satisfaction and financial precision. First things first, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to adjust invoice settings if you're part of a larger organization. If you're the business owner or have admin privileges, you're set to proceed. If not, contacting your system administrator might be the first step before making these changes. Now let's say you have your invoice set up with all the necessary product lines. As you review each line item, think about the specific discount you wish to apply, whether it's a 5% loyalty discount or maybe a seasonal 10% off promotion. When you're ready, click on the Disc% field for the respective invoice line. Go ahead and key in the discount percentage. Let's say it's 10, just type in the number 10, and it instantly updates the line's total amount to reflect this discount. You'll notice the calculation occurs automatically, reducing the total for that line item while keeping everything precise. This seamless discount application is the real power of Odoo. It ensures transparency for both you and your customer, showing exactly how the discount affects the final invoice total. Such clarity fosters trust and can lead to stronger customer relationships in the long run. For those regularly applying discounts on invoices, setting up typical discount percentages might be beneficial. Consult with your finance or sales team about trendy discount rates and outcomes, as it's crucial to balance rewarding your customers and maintaining profitability. Remember, the Disc% field adapts to periodic sales events too. It's just as easy whether you're applying a small discount on a particular line or a larger discount to multiple lines. You can apply different percentages to different products or services within the same invoice, allowing for incredibly tailored invoicing. Once your invoice reflects the right discounts and looks perfect upon your review, it's ready for sending to your customer. Doing this successfully can not only speed up payments, but also reflect your company's professionalism and customer-friendly approach. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to add discounts to your invoices using Odoo. By utilizing this feature, you can streamline invoicing processes while delighting your customers with special offers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or tricks you found useful when using Odoo for your business. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy invoicing!